Made it out to, what, Bakersfield area? Check out Nike Outlet El Tejon. Got a nice little line right here. I haven't been here in years. Still got 40% off the back wall. I gotta see what these are going for. $80. Still too much. Still too much. Maybe I could find a return one on the back wall. Get that 40 off. That'd be pretty dope. You do got the acronym blazers right here. Go for $75. That 3D printed piece on the back. Got some twos down here. These are down to 90. Remember, you do get 40 off on top of all these prices. I'm kind of too lazy to do the math. 120. Air Max 1s right here. 120. Got an orange one right here. Go for 120 as well. Oh, she's 35. 40 off on top. So was that $20? GT Hustle 2s going for 80. Air Max 2017s. I actually bought a pair of these here. This exact same colorway, deep oil, hyper cobalt. This is what, 110, 40 off. I think I got it for about the same price. I paid 60. I did get the full box for it. I keep forgetting to wear this. Airspan 2s, $60. That brings that down to what, $36? Zoom 92s does have Zoom Air on these bad boys, 95 for those. Came over to the women's huge sizes right here. Finally seeing extended size pricing. $38 for the jumbos right there, size 11s. Like 20 something dollars after discount. The J-Force ones right here. Jacquemus collabs go for 60. Got some Pegasus Trails, $45. $45 and you get 40 off on top. Holy cow. Was that 25 bucks, something like that? 75 for these Vomeros. Oh no, my bad. Pegasus 41 Nike by you. 75 for those. Jordan 2 size 12. 120 still. Damn, that's quite a bit. 70 for the Jordan 1 Elevates right there. 75 for these right here. These are both size 11. 85 for these. 11.5 women's all white blazers. $60 for those. And then the Dunks. These are the OG Dunks. Got all kinds of dust on them. Been here for a minute. 85 for these. Nothing here for me, unfortunately. Damn, crowd's here. Pretty big today compared to every other visit here. Well, let's see what's up with the apparel. 40% off the apparel. Fleece jacket right here, double XL. Going for 60 bucks. Been cold as hell lately. It's cold right now. 105 for the tech fleece. This is an extra small. Got them in small as well. Got medium, got large. I guess they threw all of these on the clearance rack. Yeah, 105, 40 off. That's what, 65 bucks, $63? Who's this? What team is this? AFC Richmond from the MLS. $75 for that one. These Nike Yoga has gone down even more. $36, 40 off on top. Material on these are pretty nice. It's just not thick. Not thick, so it's like, why don't you just wear a t-shirt because it's so thin? But $35, another 40 off. So is that 20 bucks? Nike running shirt in a small going for 70. The last one was a pullover. Do got tech fleece right here in a small, $76 for this. So that drops down to what, 40 bucks, something like that? Nothing else in a small though. This is in the small section. 4XL tall, $69. Another Nike Yoga, $36. This comes down to 20 bucks, but it's so thin though. So thin. So soft though. It is so nice. That is nice. But yeah, 20 bucks, man, 20 bucks. I got a navy blue as well, so 3 different colorways of those. Got tech fleece right here with these down to 100 bucks, so $60 for these. I think the clearance store is still a little bit cheaper. Got this really warm thing right here. It's a pullover. It's a extra tall pullover, or extra large tall pullover, 115. I got tech fleece right here, $90 for Two-tone tech fleece. Remember, you get 40 off on top. Oh, this is what I need. I need one of these. I have a large. I don't know if the large is gonna fit me. 65. You did get another 40 off. That's actually not bad. $30-something. $40. I need to leave this in the car. I need to leave mine in the car because I can do a size swap. I can do a size swap. One of my boys got it for me for hella cheap, but I can do a size swap. Maybe that's worth it. I used to wear large, but it's a little big on me now. More of these two-tone ones right here. Looks like they just got this off a regular rack. That's about it. Clearance apparel. Back in the men's clearance section back here. Seen a lot of the same stuff. These definitely aren't Air Force 88s. Penny 2s going for 65. This is a size 9. Got some boots right here. Damn, someone just jammed this in. Folks don't know how to lay down shoes. What the hell? What the hell? 150 for the Manscapes right here, aka Magma Escapes. Cleats right here, 140 for these. We saw these at 50 at the Foot Locker outlet. Hopefully you guys saw those. I'm told they move hella quick whenever they have them. 110 for the next gens. In the size 8, got the aluminum foils right here, 110. But look at this. Same stuff, same stuff, same stuff. You got Nike Attacks right here, go for 75. The Flight 95 Jason Kids go for 65. And we've been seeing a ton of these as well. 75 for the Undercover Mocs. Yeah, I've seen a lot of the same things. All right, we're moving on to the bigger sizes, 11 and above. To be able to get Air Force Ones all white. Oh, but these are the Jason Kidd ones. Okay, these are a little bit weird. A little bit weird if you're into all the Halloween stuff. These ain't bad. It is a retro, so leather's a little bit nicer. But yeah, you get, at least you get 40% off 150. Second time I've seen those at the outlets. Got some highs right here, 130. Immortality 3s going for 50. Witnesses going for 75. Not exaggerating when I say seen a lot of the same stuff. Bunch of these Nike Attacks. All these Roshis right here. Size 13 GT Academy is going for 55. Finally starting to see extended size price items right here. The gray tags. 68 for these. Air Force 88s going for 75. Got some cleats right here. Not much in the really huge sizes. Not much. 40% off backpacks. No real premium ones. Not like I'm looking for backpacks. I'm just showing you guys. I already have 2 RPM backpacks. We're going to be using those for the next couple years. $30 for these. Bunch of generic ones. 42 for those. 25 for these. Remember, another 40% off all these prices. 40, 45, 45 for those as well. All right, let's see what's going on in the aisles. You got the Jordan new retro 1 lows. Who cares? Who cares what they're called? Do got the reimagined Royals. Yellow Ochre, Jordan 1 High, OGs. Midnight Navy, the Yin and the Yangs. Oh, greens. And then these 2s right here. I'm really thinking about these. I've seen them cheaper though. I've seen them cheaper because they have been selling these for 80 and then 40% or 30% off on top. So wonder if I should pull the trigger. Wonder if I should wait. Will I find them later? I don't know. The only reason I want these is because I have the jacket, the Tech Fleece jacket, and it matches. So might as well grab it. I'm gonna gamble. They got plenty of sizes. And then of course plenty of the budget signatures. Got Witnesses. I got multiple Witnesses, and then we got KD Tray 5 10s. Also got Immortalities right here. Got Flight Legacies in multiple colors. Air Flight Light Mids. Plenty of XB boxes. You got SB Alley-Oops. Heritage Volks right here. Got Vomero 5s. Trainer Lows. Got the Pandas. Glacier Blue. Dunk Lows. Air Max DNs. I think we're going to see a deluge of these coming up real soon. Even Air Max 270s going down in price. Got some 90s. Wolf gray right here. Triple white. It says wolf gray. Where's the wolf gray? I don't see no damn wolf gray on this one. What the hell? So on the inside, I'm saying it says wolf gray. I don't see it. 95 for these as well. Asking for retail on the all white and all white Air Force Ones. Field General of the Unions. The Union collabs just lost all its luster. People not into Union collabs anymore? Or is it just they did it with the Field Generals? Like, huh? Come on. Shadow gray and white, black and white Field General here. Got a quartet of the Air Max 2017s right here. Trio of the Air Max 270s, going for way too much. Air Max 1s right here. Free Metcon 5s, got 4 different colorways. Those are more for high intensity interval workouts. These Metcon 8s right here, just straight regular weightlifting. We got running shoes, but prices not that great. The Infinity Run 4s right here. Do got the Pegasus Shields. Prices not great, not great. All $100. Damn. See if I missed any sales in the apparel. Let's look around for a little bit. A Jordan shirts, all white with a little black emblem on it. A logo, black Jumpman logo. Jumpman logo, that is. 25 for those bad boys right there. Black cement jacket. Looks like a black cement dry fit jacket. These are $112. No extra discounts. What's up? Nike Elite backpacks right here. $100. Really? One of the homies found these. Oh, these are going for $60, so it depends on the colorway. One of the homies found one for 30 something. Was that John? Found it for $30 at the clearance store. $30 for these bad boys. I do need a bigger water bottle. When I go exercise and stuff, 64 ounces for this one. This one would be pretty decent. $30 though. They make a metal one. I'm trying to get away from plastic. I have a slightly smaller one right here, it looks like. 40 ounces for this one, $26. Got Tech Fleece right here. They're talking about $105 for Tech Fleece. Do got shorts here as well. These are also Tech Fleece. $40 for these bad boys. Got some Tech Fleece shorts right here as well. Prices are very up and down. Very, very up and down. These are asking for $65. I just realized I don't see that many sale signs in the apparel section. What's up? What's up, man? All right, let's go see what's up with the women's section. 40% off the back wall. I was like, I see black cements. I see black cements. Not really. These gold ones. $100 or $60. That is a size 6 women's. Got some 2s right here. $80, 7.5. Air Force One platforms go for $80. $55 for the jumbo blazers right there. Air Max, what, 2021s, I think? Air Max Internationals, what the hell? $60 for those. Blazers go for $60. Metcon, free Metcon 5, $100 for those. A lot of duplicates though. Got a lot of generic stuff. The Motivas, what the hell? Air Max 1s go for $95 right here. Checking the huge sections one more time to see if I missed anything. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this Air Max 97 golden bullets. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. $50 freaking dollars after 40% off. That comes out to $30. $30. Are you serious? At least I found a couple things in the women's section at least. Do got a ton of blazers. Or got a few blazers. Like every other outlet. Got some Dunk mids. Dunk lows. Rose Whisper colorway right here. Trio of the 270s. They're finally starting to go down in price. Jordan 1 low OGs. We just saw this for $140 off at East LA. Ate's down to $100. They got decent sizes up to size 11. Another Jordan Hot OG right here. Got some Air Max 90s. Got some Forces. Free Metcons right here. And then a bunch of generics, Zoom Structure, bunch of generic stuff. Juniper Trail, right here. Pegasus Trails right here. Another couple more. 110's a little much though. Checking out the grade school. Got some mids. SEs right here. Really good price for these. Few of the Team J's. This is preschool right here. Preschool. You get 40 off of $85. This is grade school right here. 150. Citrus 7s right here. Haven't seen these in a long time. Holy cow. Haven't seen these in a minute. 2s right here, go for 70. Got some mids right here. Air Force mids, go for 75. One highs, 140, 40 off, and $45. $45, 40 off. Wow. I haven't bought baby shoes in a while. This seems like a lot. Especially 70 for these, holy cow. They got quite a few J's though. And then some more budget options right here, 45. These are down to 40. For stuff like this, I would say go to the clearance store if you have access to a clearance store. Obviously, I'm not close to a clearance store here. Probably like 50 miles away. Okay. Probably one of the shorter videos. I don't think I got that much footage, but not the craziest trip. Not the craziest trip. If I remember, this is where I got my Watch the Thrones. I think Watch the Throne LeBron 15s. So that was what, 6 years ago? And the Air Max 2017s, the royal ones. I think those are the two only shoes I've gotten here. And I also remember seeing the Jordan 3 Chlorophylls here a while back. I feel stupid for not getting those. They had them for 130 off. So 70 bucks. I feel dumb for not grabbing those back then. Dang it. Dang it. I'm gonna gamble. I'm gonna gamble and see if I could find these for cheaper. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you guys help a boy. Press that like button. I think we're done. We're done. Check out membership. You guys want to help a boy with gas? Spend all kinds of gas just to get here. We'll see if I can make one more video.